In today's video, I will teach you how to generate lifestyle photography using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the Photoroom homepage. On the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click AI Tools. This section contains all of Photoroom's creative AI features. On the AI Tools page, scroll down to the Create Images with AI and click See All. This will expand the list of AI tools available to generate images in different themes. Now scroll down and select Lifestyle Photography. Now we're going to write a descriptive and creative prompt. In the input box, type in exactly what kind of lifestyle scene you want, and be specific and creative as possible. And if you're unsure what to type, you can select one of the inspiration prompts provided by Photoroom for ideas. And now we're going to choose image size. To do this, click on the size settings and choose your preferred preset. 1x1 square, which is great for Instagram posts, 3x4 portrait or 9x16 portrait, which is ideal for Instagram stories or reels, 4x3 landscape or 16x9 landscape, which is suitable for YouTube thumbnails or website headers. And now we're going to select the style. Click on the style settings and choose from a variety of visual styles. Professional for polished and clean results, cinematic, which adds drama and depth, muted or vintage analog, which is great for retro vibes, editorial or Polaroid for a fashion or lifestyle magazine feel, or try black and white, film noir, or raw flash for more artistic effects. But you can also leave it on random if you want a surprise. Once your prompt, size, and style are selected, click Generate, and Photoroom will create 4 image options based on your settings. Now click on any of the image to see a larger preview, and from the image preview, you have the option to remove the background, generate 4 more variations of that specific image, click on Change Something to refine it by just describing the adjustment that you want, or retouch or resize the image if needed. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can click Use this image to open it in the Photoroom editor. And you can now make further adjustments like adding studio lighting, text overlays, or other enhancements. And when you're satisfied, you can click the download button to save it to your device. And if you want to explore more styles and features, you can use the 7-day free trial to unlock unlimited access to Photoroom's premium tools. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.